Alright guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, I'll tell you a big welcome to you. Welcome. As a matter of fact, if not for you guys, there would have been no us. You making this channel really trending. Thank you. Come on, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click on the notification button. Yes, click on it so that you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Are you a returning subscriber? Come on, then as usual thing, you just have to click on copy the link and share for others also so that they can watch and benefit from this channel. You know how they go now. Alright, that's a quick one. Don't forget, if not for you, would I be in here? Trust me on this one. Yes, for a skincare recipe, or you want to buy organic product, or a cosmetic, you want to buy any of those, yes, you can always count on us. The number on your screen, you can just copy to reach us. Yeah, so and we are real 100%. We ship worldwide. Trust me, we ship worldwide. And just 4 days. We dish it 4 days or 5 days. Okay, now today we want to talk about a face cleanser, a very natural face cleanser. Not everybody like Promixing. Yes, we will be using our black soap to do a face cleanser. He will be black soap will be our agent, our cleansing agent. Will be our cleansing agent. So when you look for a face cleanser like that, you want to count on this one. We want to do. Yes, this will be a very good one, and I want you to listen carefully so that you're not going to come and ask me again, what are the things? Please list them. And I have listed all those things. You see the video, be careful with it. Like, watch the video from beginning to end. You see I list all of that. Come on, what will it benefit me, or what will I have me do when I don't list all those things and I keep coming here to talk to you guys? It doesn't make no sense. Or what will I hide from you on the video I'm doing as I give people recipe formula to do something and I don't put the no, I don't do that. You understand? Like yesterday when I dropped eco whitening soap, when I dropped, I did all of the video, and I overdo. Yes, I overdo. Like I did in the video and I put everything in there, but some people still shouting me, list the things, and I listed them there. So this one, let it not be today, let it not be the same way you want to ask me today, because I will list them and I will write them, I will put them on the screen, for you to see. So in a quick one, let's begin. First of all, everybody really want a good face cleanser. Everybody want a good face wash. So I will advise you. You can see my face. Some guys ask me, bro, what are you be using? Yes, I can remember 4 months to 5 months back. You can see my picture, like way too dark. Yes, that was how I was looking, like way too dark. But then you say, can't you use your product? Use your product so that we can know if it's working. I said, until when I use my product, fine. I'm not gonna be like those people who make creams or who do this, who don't use their product and they sell for people. No, let me use my product. And I started using my product, and here we are. Are you getting it? So this face cleanser we want to do today, trust me, this is my own product as well also, and this is what I'm using every blessed day. This is what I'm using. Yeah, so now, and it's a natural face cleanser. So let's begin. Now, first of all, you can use any natural soap to substitute for your black soap. You can use any natural soap to substitute for your black soap, but I will advise you should go for the black soap, which is best known. I know also it will be our cleansing agent. You take your black soap and chop it into pieces. You know what I mean when I mean chop it into pieces? Because when you chop it to pieces, now you cannot take 30 grams of it to put into a clean cup or a bowl. Put it into a clean cup or a bowl. Make sure that bowl is clean after you must have sterilized it. Then take your warm water. Yes, your warm water. Remember I said the soap, you can substitute any natural soap for the black soap. Now you cannot take your warm water. Yes, you cannot take your warm water and you put it inside the bowl, you know, and you wait until the soap is being melted, it's been properly melted, that yes, you're not seeing anything. Let it melt till you're not seeing anything. When your soap is being dissolved inside the warm water, then measure out your aloe vera, you know, with rose water and glycerin into another cup entirely. You know, these are the things we're using. Understand that we're making use of natural ingredient. You understand that? So because it takes some really exceptional to make your face really clean, and not just clean, to get that smoothness you want. You know, some other brand can make it happen that way, but I prefer natural, you know, because this natural, like, is, they are like undiluted. Are you getting it? All this moisturize you see, they say so this moisturize is on this day. Yes, by the time they turn to Promixing, like when you put some other chemical into them, and no, they can't really work a natural way anymore. You cannot see that they've not deviated from the original context, you know, because now a chemical has been involved. Are you getting it? Yes, a chemical has been involved, unlike when it's been non-involvement of any chemical. So don't forget when I said measure out your rose water, your glycerin, and your aloe vera gel. Yes, your aloe vera gel might be 2 tablespoons. Yes, 2 tablespoons is okay. Are you getting it? Then your rose water should be 12 ml. Are you getting your glycerin should be 12 ml also. Should be 12 ml. On that, I think we have it balanced. You can see the balance is natural right now. Not that you're gonna make some heavy and then the other ones, you know, make some. No. With this now, all of it is balanced now. If you're using a branded face wash or cleanser, or you're using this one we're just making now, made with a black soap, you know, it's really gonna be very hard, you know, to tell how harsh your face is, or until you use it over a period of time. You understand? Now, if you use it for a period of time, you can use it. It depends on how the cleaning agent is. That's why I said, okay, we should use a very mild cleaning agent, which is the black soap we're using. Our black soap is our base, the base formula right now. Are you getting it? So if you're using that with over a period of time, now you cannot see if it's too ash. That will not give you the idea that okay, I should, because they all come in a different concentration. Are you getting it? All these branded cleanser, they all come with different concentration. So also this one you're making for yourself is coming with different concentration. Over the period of time, you cannot know that okay, maybe I should reduce the black soap in it, or I should increase. You want it, okay, you want to be more effective. I guess, okay, let me increase it because I want it to be more effective, because the black soap is not our cleaning agent, it's not our base, it's the base formula. Remember? Good. So you cannot increase it if you want it to be more effective. But if you want it to be mild, that you just want it to be, you cannot reduce it. So now you cannot have the balance because it's natural. It's natural. This is not chemical we're talking. Are you getting it? So you cannot have the balance for both. For all of the other items you put, you cannot have the balance because you've reduced it and you've used it over a period of time. You know what works for you in this now. So you cannot tell if the glycerin is making it more mild, or you cannot tell if the rose water, or you cannot tell whatever you put on it as an addition. Remember, we have other things to put. Don't forget, we're still coming. You have other things to put. So with all this, you cannot know what to do because you've use it over a period of time, either to reduce it or to make the concentration more high. Now let's combine all of the ingredients that we have at hand now with the cleaning agent. Okay, now take your African black soap that you've melted, you've dissolved. Now add it to the rose water with a glycerin. Remember, we've separated those aside before. So add it to the rose water and the glycerin and the aloe vera. You understand? The aloe vera gel. So add them together. Let's see what we get. Just do that. After that, now stir together. When you stir together, to make sure nothing separated, what do you do before we put our essential oil, carrier oil? Before all that, now you have to mix together properly. When you finish mixing, then you take your blender to make sure not separated, rather they mix together. You use your blender, just give a quick blending. Blend proper when I keep saying proper. You blend proper. Like when you blend, this is what we're doing, and you will see. Don't be scared. This is your own production. Come on, man. Don't be scared. When you do it, use it before you sell it, before you give to anybody. Use it. This is all natural. So blend a proper blending. After blending, now let's give this face wash, face cleanser, a natural common effect. You understand? So we'll be using our natural preservative, 2% of it, just put 2%. Are you getting it? Then put our lavender essential oil. So with all this, we're giving a common effect. Yes, you can put any other carrier oil that you want to put just to give that effect. Now it's just a common effect. When I call it common effect, there's some other effect that you can see that are not common, but this one is common. What is it common now? You want your face to be clear. You want your face to be smooth. You want your face to be sweet. You see? So you just give them this. Give it a natural common effect by putting these essential oils and this natural preservative. Are you getting me? And all of them, remember, all of them you adding is 2%. So put your lavender essential oil 2%, your preservative 2%, okay, and your fragrance also 2%. As a matter of fact, this we've just done now, this is one of the most expensive in nature. Yes, expensive. When I mean expensive, not expensive per se. Why you buying all these things? I think if you spend much, it's not. I don't think it's up to $10 or I don't think it's up to $10 or $20, or I don't think it's 10,000. It's up to 10,000 naira. But what I mean the most expensive, what you've just produced now, other brands of cleanser can't even get to this. I'm telling you, real talk. Believe you me. Just do it. You see, you be the one to call me. I'm giving you all of this because I love you. I told you I always want to make the ladies more beautiful, because this is a lady thing, and you guy, you want to test it too. Fine, you can test it. But real talk, yes, I'm in here ask for you guys to give you the truth. So now that you've seen this, if you use it and it work for you, don't forget to DM me on Instagram. You can check on us, AY Cosmetic Nigeria. On Facebook, you can check on us, AY Cosmetic Nigeria. On WhatsApp, a number on the screen, that is our WhatsApp number. Don't forget, you can also drop your comment. And then for those of you who try to talk to me on YouTube streaming now, no, don't do that. You just how much? You don't ask me those questions in public. You want to talk to me and then you want me to respond, come to my WhatsApp, DM me, or my Instagram. You can DM me. Yes, give me a direct message. We can chat there. Yeah, no matter how busy I am, we will always chat there. You know what I mean? So all these, I take my time to make it just for you, so that your face can be clean. Your face can be clean. And a quick one also, let me drop how you can use it also. This is how you use it. When you're done with it, put it in your container. Are you getting it? You want to use it, just maybe this spraying container, spray a little to your hand, then rub it and put it in your face. Use it just in a circular motion, you rub it, and after that, then after some while, just take up your face towel, with a warm water also. Just dip it inside and use it to clean it from it. Then here we go. It's done. Your face become flawless, smooth, Forget about the story. You need to scrub, Now it's good once in a while, yeah, I need to scrub, fine. But not scrub only. There are some things you need to apply which are natural, way too natural. Yes, natural effect. With this now your face become glossy, flawless, These are the things we use. Alright, that's a quick one I've just dropped for you. Please give it a try, and get back to me, Yes, we've done a great one. So I remain your only man who do the skincare things according to what they say. Not me, you guys said it. So I'ma leave you now till the next video.